In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the leads inbox in Pipedrive in just 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your leads, how to add them quickly, how to review lead details, and how to move a qualified lead into your sales pipeline as a deal. Start by opening Pipedrive and looking to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Leads, then select Leads Inbox from the panel that appears. This is your central place to manage potential opportunities before they become deals. As soon as the Leads inbox opens, you'll see a table listing all the leads currently in your account. Think of this as your staging area. It keeps prospects organized and separate from your active pipeline so you can qualify them without cluttering your deals. If you need to add a new lead on the spot, use the plus icon at the top left of the table. This is perfect for adding a single contact quickly, such as someone you just spoke with or a form submission you want to capture right away. If you're bringing in a batch of leads, click the small drop-down next to that same button and choose Import Data. This option is ideal when you're migrating from a spreadsheet or connecting a third-party tool. Follow the prompts in the import flow to map your fields correctly, so names, emails, and other details land in the right place. To learn more about any lead in your list, simply click on it. This opens the Leads Detail view where you'll find the information you've saved along with a clear timeline of interactions. Here, you can add notes to capture context, such as what the prospect is interested in or any objections they raised. You can also create activities like calls, emails, or meetings to keep the momentum going. Setting an activity ensures you always have a next step and a reminder, which is key to consistent follow-up. Once you've qualified the lead and you're confident there's a real opportunity, convert it into a deal. In the Leads view, click Convert to Deal. This moves the lead into your sales pipeline so it can be tracked through stages, forecasted, and reported alongside your other opportunities. The original lead information carries over so you don't have to re-enter anything. And that's it. You've navigated to the Leads inbox, added leads manually or via import, reviewed and enriched lead details, set activities, and converted a qualified lead into a deal. With this simple workflow, you'll keep your pipeline clean, your follow-ups on schedule, and your sales process running smoothly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.